With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that crustaceans, spiders and insects are able to regenerate there, and the options are abdomen, thorax, head and limbs. So whenever there is an injury to the body of the organism, the lost body part is replaced by the process of restorative regeneration, right? Due to injury, the body part that is lost, this body part gets regenerated by the process of restorative regeneration, right? This is called as restorative regeneration. And if we talk about crustaceans, spiders and insects, the most common body part that is grown in these insects are the legs or the limbs. So right answer here would be option D, limbs. If we consider other options, abdomen is wrong, thorax is also wrong, head is also incorrect because head is occupied with the nervous system and it is very difficult for the nervous system to regenerate. It is not regenerated in normal circumstances, so this is wrong. The right answer is option D, limbs.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.